Toilet bowl constantly refilling? Let me tell you how to fix that annoying drip without calling a plumber. Okay, so first off, check the float arm inside the tank. If it's set too high, water keeps filling up and spilling into the overflow tube, making your toilet run non-stop. Just bend the float arm down a little, or adjust the screw if it's one of those newer models. Next, look at the flapper at the bottom of the tank. If it's worn out or warped, it won't seal properly, letting water leak into the bowl. Replacing the flapper is super easy. Just pop off the old one and clip on a new one you can grab at any hardware store for like $5. Also, make sure the chain connecting the flapper to the flush handle isn't too tight or too loose. It needs just a bit of slack so the flapper closes fully after flushing. Don't forget to check the fill valve. If it's faulty, it might let water trickle in when it shouldn't. Sometimes cleaning out mineral buildup from the valve helps a ton. Oh, and if your toilet has an older ballcock style float, swapping to a newer fill valve might save you headaches down the road. Finally, test everything a couple of times to make sure the water stops refilling as soon as the tank is full. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a toilet bowl constantly refilling is ignoring the float arm adjustment, which is key to stopping overflow. Another common problem is not replacing a damaged flapper, which leads to constant leaks and higher water bills. Just swap it out to fix that. Lastly, folks often overlook cleaning or replacing a clogged fill valve, causing slow filling or continuous refilling. A quick clean or replacement usually solves it. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for finding trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through a job. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable work, making projects way easier on both sides.